Oh yeah. Bunny tracks. Little bunny. And we've been close out here on deer. We've been close on turkeys. We've gotten squirrels. This property's been good to us.
Yep.
Sneaking out after that turkey hunt and that flock of hens crossed right here in front of us.
Yep. Well, then that we were walking out that one day and those does were standing right there.
Turkeys. Turkeys right there. Yeah, the one in the back.
Yeah, it's like hobbling.
Yeah, that's a great sign. That one's messed up.
I was expecting to only see one. It had two legs.
There's a bunch of them over there.
Yeah.
I saw at least like 6 or 8. It was hard to tell. But yeah, one of them's hurt for sure. I guarantee if that wind just completely shut off for 10 minutes, this place would be crawling with squirrels.
Mm-hmm.
This is what we're dealing with for wind. These squirrels are getting taken for a ride, so we think that they're just holed up and not moving.
No, I wouldn't be.
That thing's just bouncing all over the place up there. And that's tame compared to what it was a minute ago.
I think it had antlers, didn't it?
Sure did.
That was a nice buck.
Yes, it was. Somehow Jaron managed to just spot a fox squirrel on a branch on this tree about 70 yards out. As we were watching him to try to get a bead on him, he hopped onto the main trunk here onto the back side. So we took a mental note of which tree he was in, and now we're moving up on it to try to get a shot. We've never left this property with fewer than 5 squirrels, and we're skunked so far, so we're hoping to make something happen here. I'm sure we can probably hear the wind on the audio. This wind has these squirrels extremely skittish. We've seen 3 so far, and basically as soon as we take a single step towards them, they bolt. It's been tough, but that's part of the fun. It'll make it that much more rewarding if we do get a couple. We've got him spotted. I put the camera down for a second because he was on my side of the tree. I was going to try to take a shot at him. And he rotated back around to Jaren's side. He's not in a hole. He's not in a nest. So we do have him cornered. It's basically a patience game now. Jaren's trying to get an angle. Could you see him?
Yeah, like just in the back.
Nice shot.
Dude, that's tough with the trees going like this. See, I knew on that second shot I hit him. Or the third shot.
There he
You could
is.
hear it. Dude, I just sit there and wait because there's little twigs and stuff going like this in front of him.
just blowing all over.
His trees moving. Super X's do
Hell of a
work.
shot. Let's get him.
Oh, man. Thank you, buddy. I know you didn't willingly do it, but
It's alright. He's going to taste good.
that's part of life out here.
Part of life.
If it wasn't me, it was a hawk.
And if it wasn't a hawk, it was a coyote. It's a big fox squirrel.
Very cool.
Very cool. And he's going to be with gravy over rice.
Oh, that's so good.
That's how we always do them.
Some mushrooms, some gravy, some rice, a couple cold beers.
A couple
To start. Appetizers.
Couple while we cook.
Yeah.
He's going to be good. We're going to try to get some more. So I'm going to shut off the camera and we're going to get back to looking. But so far this has been...
Banner day.
Yeah.
Banner day for sure.
It's been awesome. If you don't squirrel hunt, you need to.
Yep.
It's a lot of fun.
They taste good.
And they taste great. We're going to get back to it.
Alright, so we changed spots here. Wasn't a whole lot of action going on at the other spot. And as soon as we pulled in, there was one sitting right in the road. And he ran into the woods and we spotted him up in a tree. So CJ's going to try and sneak up on him and get a shot.
We just spotted 4 fox squirrels in one tree down here in this corner. So I'm going to try to sneak my way around on the right side while Jaren comes up on the left side. We've done this successfully a couple times in the same spot the last couple of years. See if we can get at least 2 out of the 4. Trying to stop and get eyes on them since I'm a little closer. I see one tail flicking up there.
So you see where that tree V's?
Yeah, the
one closest to us?
Yeah.
And then that branch that goes between them?
Yeah.
He was on that.
The big thick dead branch?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Oh.
The one to the right of it. That kind of angles out this way.
Okay.
He's there. I can see him. This isn't this guy's first rodeo, that's for sure. I don't know what the best play is here. Here, you know what? You come over here. And I'll try, because every time you walk around over there is when I see him.
Can you still see him?
Yeah. Man. Sitting right in that crotch.
Same spot?
Yep. Oh, he's moving. He just went to the backside.
Jesus. Are you messing with me?
No. I got video proof that he is he is there. No, he's back in the crotch again. He might have a hole up there he's going in and out of.
Seems like he wouldn't come out of it after getting shot at.
Come stand right here and I'll walk around the other side and see if...
This is unreal.
This is ridiculous.
This is the heaviest snow I've ever walked.
Yeah, he's still there. Staying right where I'm at.
Oh yeah, I can see him.
See him?
Yep.
Try and walk over here and see if I can make him do something.
Oh no!
Get him to move?
The first one got him to move, and then the second one got him to move. Oh wait, don't move, don't move. That was awesome. You whacked that tree and he stood up perfectly. And I got up on him and you whacked the tree again and he went on the backside. I was like, oh no. And then he peeked out. Just barely.
That branch snapped.
The big one when you hit
Yeah.
the tree?
I was like, oh, that wasn't enough noise. And well, apparently it was. Got him. Nice shot. That thing was way up there.
Yeah, he was way up there.
I mean, if you can kind of see, I'm standing at the base of the tree. He was all the way up in there. Just playing Ring Around the Rosie with us. But old Tex got him one. 2 on the board.
Beautiful.
Let's go get some more.
Beautiful. Hell yeah. I was like, dude, we've been working this squirrel for 15 minutes. He's not coming out. If he shows just even just his head, 3/4 of his head, I'm taking a shot at him. Yeah. It worked. We got him. That was fun.